Check it out, eh? I knew somebody was back here. Better not talk. I'll just be quiet and let him walk. Yep, that's Petey. You see him? Get a little close so you can get a close shot. Hi, bud. How you doing?
Probably terrified. I'm sorry.
Oh, he's putting them quills up. Hey, bud. It's your friend. I'm not here to hurt you.
Oh, he sure is awesome, eh?
Wow.
Yeah, I'm only about 5-6 feet from him. Aww. Hey, cute. Hey, buddy.
How you doing, Pete?
Try not to look him in the eye, that'll scare him, I bet.
Anyways.
Ooh, he's showing me his back and his quills. So beautiful, eh?
Wow. Well, I'm gonna go over around this way and get a look at his face. See if he'll look at me. Here he is. Hi, bud.
Oh, he's a little shy.
Well, I'm gonna leave you alone. Have a good day, buddy.
Oh yeah, much worth coming out here to see him on
camera. You're a movie star, you know that? Yeah, Pete, you're a movie star. Everybody gets to see you.
Oh, don't worry, I'm not gonna hurt you.
Just a friend saying hi. Anyways, hey, I hope you like this. Here's my buddy Pete. See you later. Have a good day. A good day. Yeah, have a good day, bud. All my relations. Hope you get some good dinner. Hope you see your girlfriend later. Can you hear him?
Oh, he's probably terrified.
See his claws? Wow, he's got some sharp claws. He's made for climbing, alright. Yeah, he wants me to leave. Anyways,
Hope you like that.
see you later, Petey. Have a good day, bud.
Right on, man. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Cheers.